Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy Beezy back with a brand new video, and today we are going to be hitting Euro USD and trying to make some profit off of it. Very elusive. Euros USD on pocket option is probably one of the most profitable non-OTC pair. Usually you can find it for 92% almost every time. Of course it fluctuates, but it stays more than other pairs. So always keep that in mind and look at it. It's you know, it fluctuates like the real market. It's very difficult to predict, but we're gonna go after it and try to make some money. So gang, let's get right into the charts, and you can see I've been looking at my markets and I've seen this bullish market has been going on for what feels like forever. And right now we're looking for a place to enter into a call. But now we can see the market's being up for a long period of time. So this was the high before, the market's past that. I'm gonna move that high here. And now I think the market is still going to continue to come up. As you can see, the sellers are fighting as hard as possible, but the buyers really have this. You can see strong 3 candles. Usually you might hear from strategies that once you see a candle in this situation, especially when the candle is really strong on this side, it means that you have to enter into a put. But we've entered into calls for $800. I still think that the market is bullish. So with like 10 seconds difference between this candle and our trade, I think we might be able to, but I think we just lost that. Market seems to be diving downwards, but for what reason? We can see here now, market is diving. That's crazy. I might enter here as well, double up, trying to cover my losses. I really think for the market to break, I can see it break into 80 here. After such a good strong candle here, very little over a wick, you would think that the sellers really have it. And that's why I entered here, because I'm thinking that the sellers really have it, but you can see how that price is just fluctuating up and down, making it really difficult to know if I'm completely in the money or not. So we lost $800. We made that back with one trade, and we're up about 9 or almost 1,000. So we're up 1,000, it would seem, if we don't get any crazy movements. One trade one, second trade one. Great. Not the best start for us at all, but now we can see how the market is moving. So right here, we're just waiting. I want to see where this candle ends. And I think it's gonna end somewhere around here. I don't think it's even gonna go all the way past there. I think somewhere around 18672. That's even if it gets there. And I think that the next candle is gonna be bullish. I'm gonna call, because you can see how this is just stagnating right here. Let's go for $100 on that, and let's go call. Then we see the market just pull downwards. We don't see any movement here, and I'm thinking that the buyers are really pushing that price up. So despite the fact that you see that here, the trend is going downwards, and you might be fooled into wanting to go downwards here. But the fact remains, we can see here with that last candle right here, you can't really see very much because my trade is blocking it. You don't see any movement at all, which means that the buyers and the sellers just the price just stops. And why I entered this trade is because I saw that you can see how the seller seems to have the momentum here. And you can see that momentum just end right here. And you can see that this is really close. and we got our money back. That's 2 candles now with indecisiveness in the market, but I think that the sellers really have this. So if the market comes all the way here, which I doubt at this point, the buyers are not giving up. But I think the sellers might really push this price all the way back. So I enter $100 put right there, right at the line. I think the sellers should get this. So unique situation in the market. I think this is the first time I'm seeing this, where usually I might see one situation where you could see the wick, but there is no body on the, you can't see the body of the candle at all. Very rare. But just from what I think we should be able to take profit on this. As you can see, finally, the sellers finally got out of that little pinch that they got themselves into. And now we're able to follow them and take some profits. So yeah, so you can see we lost $400 to start, but we're already up, and that's great. So in this situation, nice little trade, nice win for us. So I think that's a great little trading session. As you can see, last video I had about 40K on my account, and now I got 37. If you were in the Telegram channel, you would know. Not very good trading session yesterday. Lost a couple of money, but that's why I do this, and that's why I do this for real. So thank you guys for joining me again. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video, and you can see how the markets move in different situations. And I hope that you guys can incorporate this also in your trading. So thank you for joining me. It's been your boy Beezy, and I'm out.